Morning, recovery crew. I know it's a lot of people out there, and there's a lot of information out there on how to be the best, most fit version of yourself, and a lot of people wonder what program will work. And you know what the answer to that is? The answer is whatever program you stick to. That's the program that's going to work. So stick to it.
Know why you do that shit. Know why you do that shit.
They can see Hayden.
That was the basketball workout, guys.
Alright guys, so that's my quick little 45-minute or less workout. This is something honestly you could do at home. If you got the kids with you, you can do it around them. But yeah, this is something you can do if you can't make it to the gym. Lately I've been a little off track, but I'm getting back to it and looking to make this my best summer yet. So I challenge you to get up and do an in-home workout even if you can't make it to the gym. But look forward to more content coming your way very soon. Appreciate you stopping in, Recovery Crew. Mr. Recovery out.